Don't you love beautiful gemstone bracelets? But tired of stretchy bracelets that break? No more. Let's make a super easy, long-lasting bracelet. 15 pounds fishing line. Your favorite gemstones. I am using garnet, clear quartz, and yellow quartz here. Scissors. Cut your line 2 to 3 times longer than your wrist. Make a knot or add a stop bead. Thread your beads until you reach your desired length. Once that is done, tie double knots, but don't pull too tight. Make sure your hand fits through. Adjust the length by adding or removing beads. It looks like I need one more bead. Check the length one more time. Tie double knots again and hold them firmly. See if the bracelet goes through your hand. Looks good this time. Tie those knots firmly and untie the very first knot you made to stop the beads. Now, weave the ends back through the beads. As you go, pull the thread to hide knots inside the gemstone holes. Tie a knot. Keep going back. Tie another knot. Now, do the same on the other side. Tie a knot. Tie a knot. The thread was long enough to reach the other side again, so I am tying double knots to secure it. Once everything is secure, trim off the extra line. And that's it. You've just made a simple, durable gemstone bracelet that will last a long time without stretching out.